Hello, this is Sencha with Vumber.com, and today I'm going to explain how you can enable simultaneous call forwarding via the Vumber app. By enabling this feature, this ensures that the call will be forwarded to multiple numbers at the same time, allowing for better response times for your business. Let's get started. Start off by opening up your Vumber app. Next, up in the top left, tap the hamburger menu. Once the sidebar is open, select My Numbers. Locate the number you want to enable this feature for and select Configure next to it. From the options shown, hit Call Forwarding. Tap the menu at the top under Where would you like to send this call? Instead of the call only going to one number, we want it to go to all of our selected forwarded numbers, so choose Forward Call to several phones and have them all ring simultaneously. Your simultaneous call forwarding will now be live. Also note, while you are already in this screen, if you tap Forwarding Number, you can delete or add any forwarding numbers that will ring when your Vumber is called. Remember, with this feature enabled, this will call every number that is listed here at the same time. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact us at support@vumber.com. Bye for now.